Thank you very much. Wait, let me ask you something. Yes, kayo po. Sabi mo nga kung gusto nyo rin. Do you have... Are you really a dancer? Do you wanna be one? Yeah. Do that. Okay. You wanna be a group? You wanna be a dancer? Or you just be a not? Yes, dancer. Okay, so what do you plan to do? That talent dancing. Wait, nag-e-echo ko so you have to take that. Yes. Are you gonna let go of that special talent a bit?
Of course not. The talent, because it's our passion.
Yes, that's going to be. Thank you very much. Thank you. I will see you again.